Want to code with AI like a pro without paying for ChatGPT Plus? Everyone talks about ChatGPT Codex, but what if I told you you can use its powers for free today? No subscription, no API key. I'll show you exactly how. Hey, I'm Eldnight, and I help beginners learn how to code smarter using AI for free. If you've heard of ChatGPT Codex, it's basically the AI engine behind tools like GitHub Copilot. It turns plain English into working code. Most people think you have to pay to access this, but in this video, I'll walk you through exact tools and tricks to use Codex level AI for free, even if you're just getting started. Section 1. What is ChatGPT Codex? ChatGPT Codex is like having a coding genius in your pocket. It was trained on billions of lines of code, Python, JavaScript, HTML, C++, and more, and understands both natural language and code. That means you can say, build me a login form in HTML, explain this Python error, convert this JS function to TypeScript. Codex powers GitHub Copilot, some parts of GPT-4, and older OpenAI coding models like Code DaVinci 002. But here's the catch, most Codex features are now wrapped inside GPT-4, which needs ChatGPT Plus, a $20 plan, or the OpenAI API, which also costs money. So if you're on the free plan, you might think you're stuck. The truth, you can still use Codex-like powers for free. It's now part of many free tools that work just as well. I'll show you 5 powerful free ways to do everything Codex could do, and more. Section 2. 5 free alternatives to ChatGPT Codex. Codex used to feel like magic, then they locked it behind GPT-4. But here's what they didn't tell you. You never needed Codex to begin with. Let me show you 5 tools that outperform it, and they're all 100% free. 1. ChatGPT Free Plan, still a beast in disguise. Most beginners quit when they see the Upgrade to Plus button, but I'm telling you, GPT 3.5 can do 80% of what Codex does. Use it for writing JavaScript logic, explaining code line by line, debugging small functions, example prompt. Create a Node.js server with 3 routes and explain it simply. Still doubting? In the next tool, you'll see how it breaks past ChatGPT's memory limits and reads 100 KB files in one shot. 2. Claude Code, the polymath AI for developers. ChatGPT struggles with large files. Claude eats them for breakfast. It's like talking to a senior developer who reads your entire repo. Best for long file analysis, fixing async bugs in full apps, explaining complex logic in plain English. Real example. Here's my entire backend. Fix the database timeout issue and explain why it happens. Claude will return the fix, a breakdown, a better version, all in one answer. Bonus, Claude remembers longer and gives cleaner answers than GPT-4 in many logic tests. But what if you want something that builds both front-end and back-end from a single prompt? 3. DeepSeek, the free full-stack autocoder. Imagine saying, build me a full-stack app, and it just does. DeepSeek is trained to build actual apps from scratch and explain the steps. Try TypeScript plus React, Python plus Fast API, REST APIs with CRUD. Examples, make a Next.js frontend with a Flask backend and MongoDB storage. It generates it clean and readable. We've seen logic, we've seen long context. Now let's see a tool made just for developers like you. 4. Windsurf AI, ChatGPT, but trained only for code. Windsurf isn't general purpose, it's purpose-built for developers. No fluff, just straight answers and clean fixes. Use it to ask real-world bug questions. Refactor logic, translate bad code into clean code. Prompt, my React form won't reset after submit. Can you fix this and explain why? Windsurf replies with the exact fix and a full teaching explanation. Okay? But what if you could talk directly to your code base inside your editor? 5. Cursor AI. It's like Codex moved into your VS Code. Codex was cool, Cursor makes it obsolete. It lets you chat with your actual code files, not just pasted snippets. What it does? AI that lives inside your code editor, understands your entire project, refactors, fixes bugs, comments functions, all inside the UI. Real workflow, highlight confusing logic. Ask, what does this do? AI explains, rewrites, comments, and it doesn't send your code to the cloud. Cursor works with local context. Pro tip, it feels like pair programming with Codex except faster and free. Bonus, GitHub Copilot for students, free. Are you a student? You can get GitHub Copilot for free. How? Go to educationgithub.com, apply for the Student Developer Pack, get Copilot, domain names, and hosting. All free bonus stack my free codex-like coding setup. Here's how I code with AI every day for $0. You don't need Codex, you just need to know where to look. Whether you're writing your first Python script or building React apps, you now have free tools that do exactly what Codex does, or better. Smash that subscribe if you want more free AI coding tricks like this. Drop a comment. What tool will you try first? I'm Eldnight, and I'll see you in the next one.